Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, music is better when it's shared. We all know this. So when you discover an amazing track that your friend absolutely needs to hear, Amazon Music makes it super easy to send it to them. Whether you want to share via text, social media, or even email, you can send a link to any song in just a few taps. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to share a song from Amazon Music, so you can spread the musical love, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna talk about the app on mobile, iPhone or even Android. Open the Amazon Music and find the song you want to share. You can search for it, find it in a playlist or even play it. Then tap the three dots, look for more options menu next to the song title. Then from the menu that appears, select share. On some devices, the share icon might look like a box with an arrow pointing up. Also, a sharing sheet will pop up with various options. Copy the link. It's basically easy, just copy the link to the song to your clipboard. Then open your messaging app with the link ready to send. I'm talking here about WhatsApp, Facebook, IG, Twitter, whatsoever. Share directly to social media, or you can even send it to email if you want to. Then choose how you want to share. Select a contact or app and send it off. You can also share it from the Now Playing screen. While a song is playing, tap the menu player to open the full Now Playing screen. Then look for any share button near the top or bottom, then tap it and follow the same steps. You can even try and basically screen the, let me show you how. Okay, so for example, I'm on this playlist or this song, for example, pick one. Try and screenshot your screen, and they're gonna basically show you the link to share it and all of this. So that was it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.